Let's talk about the Prospective Marriage Visa. Hello and welcome to the Port Migration YouTube channel. My name is Joanna. I'm a registered migration agent with Port Migration, and today we are talking about the Prospective Marriage Visa, the Subclass 300 visa, or as it's sometimes called, the Fiance visa. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to our Port Migration YouTube channel, and if you're thinking about applying for a prospective marriage visa for Australia, share this video with your fiance. If you're engaged to an Australian citizen or permanent resident and planning to marry in Australia, the prospective marriage visa, the Subclass 300, might be the perfect pathway for you. Often referred to informally as the Fiance visa, this visa is designed for people who are offshore, engaged to an Australian citizen, permanent resident or eligible New Zealand citizen, and planning to come to Australia to marry their fiancé. In this article, we'll explain what the prospective marriage visa is, why you might apply for it instead of a partner visa, and how it leads to permanent residency through the partner visa pathway. What is the prospective marriage visa, the Subclass 300? The prospective marriage visa allows you to travel to Australia to marry your Australian fiancé, stay in Australia for a defined period of time while you plan your wedding and get married, and then apply for an onshore partner visa, the Subclass 820-801, after you're married. What is the prospective marriage visa, the Subclass 300? The prospective marriage visa allows you to travel to Australia to marry your Australian fiancé, stay in Australia for a defined period of time while you plan your wedding and get married, and then apply for an onshore partner visa, the Subclass 820-801, after you're married. This visa is for people who are engaged and plan to get married in Australia after the prospective marriage visa is granted. You must apply for the visa from outside Australia. Why apply for the prospective marriage visa instead of a partner visa? There are a few reasons why people apply for the Subclass 300 prospective marriage visa instead of applying for a partner visa directly. Firstly, if you're not yet married or in a de facto relationship. To apply for a standard partner visa, you generally need to either be married or in a de facto relationship, usually 12 months of living together or a registered relationship. But if you're engaged and not yet living together or unable to register your relationship, the prospective marriage visa gives you a valid pathway to a move to Australia to be with your fiancé. This can be for religious, cultural, or family reasons, or purely because you haven't been able to live together to collect evidence due to work, family, visa, or other commitments. Secondly is if you want to marry in Australia. Many couples dream of holding their wedding in Australia with family and friends present. The Subclass 300 allows your partner to enter Australia, marry you here, and then apply for permanent residency through the 820-801. Or thirdly is if you're unable to travel to Australia first to spend time together before applying for a partner visa. In some cases, travel to Australia using another visa isn't an option, but the prospective marriage visa still gives you a pathway for you to pursue your life together in Australia. Is the prospective marriage visa right for you? The prospective marriage visa could be an option for you if you're engaged to an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen, you're living outside Australia, you've met in person, and you're legally allowed to marry in Australia, and you aren't eligible yet for a partner visa based on de facto or marriage requirements. But like all Australian visas, it's essential that you meet the application eligibility requirements, and your application must be backed by strong evidence of your genuine relationship and plans to marry. It's also important to understand all your visa options so you can decide whether the prospective marriage visa is the best pathway for your circumstances, and so you understand all your options. Once your prospective marriage visa is granted, you can travel to Australia, live with your partner, and begin planning your wedding. After you marry, you'll need to apply for an onshore partner visa, the Subclass 820-801, before your Subclass 300 visa expires. This is a two-stage process. The Subclass 820 temporary partner visa, followed by the Subclass 801 permanent partner visa. Usually the paperwork for this is submitted 2 years after the paperwork for the Subclass 820 visa. The partner visa application must be lodged before your prospective marriage visa expires, so it's important to plan ahead and have your documents ready. If you're ready to start your application, book a free consultation with us today through the links in the description and let us help you secure your future together in Australia. Please keep in mind that the information in our videos is general information only. It is not intended as legal or immigration advice. For advice that is specific to your circumstances, please reach out to our team through the links in the description. Thanks for listening today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, all the best with your application.